In this video, I will show you how to simply see different font character in Photoshop by activate or enable geo style for every font type in Photoshop. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular font right here, they have their different font character that we can use to transform into different entirely design. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. I'm going to delete this layer right here. So how can we see different character of this particular font right here? So first thing first, you need to make sure you can see the font name right here. This is the font name, but they still have some of the character that we can as well use. So for you to enable geo style, come to the top right here, click on window. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for geos right here. And this is going to pump up right here. You have this window here. Okay. Now you can drag this window into anywhere in Photoshop workspace, any area that is very much comfortable for you, just like so. So you have different character right here that we can use with this font. So we can slide this way. This allows us to see the details about the font character, just like so. So if you choose any of the character right here, it's going to be represent. So let's say I need a copyright character. Select on the copyright character, align the text, select on copyright character, and it's going to be effects, just like what you see right here. Now let's say we want to change the font, so I'm going to highlight. I've just type in another thing, the new era. Okay, now I'm going to change this particular font right here. Press Ctrl A to highlight. Then you want to come to font right here, choose another font name right here. So okay, so let's say for instance I want to work with Algeria right here. Now you can see this is the font right here. Okay, so here we have another different character right here. So we have $, we have different character you might think of. Like for instance, if I want to use this particular 1/2, 1/4, 1/3 as the case may be, just double click, boom, it become active right here. So we can go on our home and use this to get different character of our choice. Let's say I need 1/4, just like so, and then I need 3/4, just like so. You can go on our home and use this to insert different character of any font of your choice in Adobe Photoshop. Let's say I need pan size, so just double click, it become enable, and here they are all vector. If I highlight this and I decide to change the color, so you found out that I was able to achieve that, boom, and then you are good to go. You can go on our own and use this method to see different character in Photoshop with different font as the case may be. I can highlight this and change this color to this same red right here, boom, and then I can go ahead and press Ctrl A, increase all general font style, just like so. So if I need another thing here, so for instance, if I need $, let's see if this font here has a $. So they have sign, they have euro sign. I'll just double click, boom, we have the sign right here, just like so. So I can also highlight and change this one color to this same red right here, and boom, we have it right here. So you can go on our home and use all this method to choose and get different kind of character in Photoshop from whatever font of your choice. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.